Hello learners, and welcome to today's mathematics class. We are going to learn about multiples and factors. Multiples and factors. Multiples and factors. Multiples and factors. By the end of this lesson, you should be in a position to obtain multiples and factors. You should be able to obtain multiples and factors of any given number, of given numbers. I want us to start by consider 2 times 1. This is equal to 2. Then 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And times 4 is equal to 8. It's equal to 8. Now, given these products, all right, these 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Now, these numbers here, these numbers that we have obtained here, these numbers, these ones here, that is 2, these 2, 4, these 4, 6, these 6, and 8 are the first 4 multiples of number 2. They are the first multiples of number 2. 2, 4, 6, 8 are the first 4, because these are 1, 2, 3, 4, are the first 4 multiples of number 2. I want us also to consider the following. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Then 3 times 2 is equal to 6. The same 3 times 3 will give us 9. And lastly, 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Now, these 3, 6, 9, and 12, 3, 6, 9, and 12, can write here 3, 6, 9, and 12 are the first 4 multiples of 3. The first 4 multiples of 3. It is simply the product you get after multiplying 2 numbers. When you multiply 2 numbers, you get a multiple. Here we have multiplied 3 by 1, then 3 by 2, the same 3 by 9, then 3 by 4. These ones are increasing by 1, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first 4 multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12. These are the first 4 multiples of 3. I want us to consider another example. 4 times 1 gives us 4. Then 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 4 times 3 equal to 12, and 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So this 4, 8, 12 and 16, 4, 8, 12 and 16 are the first 4 multiples of the number 4. This number 4, the first multiple is 4. The second one, you multiply 4 by 2, you get the multiple 8. Then 4 times 3, you get the multiple 12. 4 times 4, you get the multiple 16. So these are multiples of number 4. These ones here are multiples of number 4, and here these are the multiples of number 3, the first 4. Learners, do you understand? We have given 3 cases: 1, 2 and 3. Consider 1, 2 and 3. We have used 3. We have found the first 4 multiples of number 2, the first 4 multiples of number 3, the first 4 multiples of number 4. Multiples. When you multiply 2 numbers, the product is what we are calling multiple. When you multiply 2 numbers, you get what we call multiple. We have said when you multiply 2 by 1, you get the multiple 2. Now these 2 numbers is what is referred to as factor, and this one is factor. So the factors of 2 are 2 and 1. So we can say 2 and 1 are factors of 2. These factors can also be known as divisors. 2 and 1 are divisors of 2. We can come here and take another example. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Now this 8 we have seen is a multiple. Okay, it's called multiple, but these 2 here is a factor. So 2 and 4 are factors of 8. 2 and 4 are factors or divisors of 8. We can also write, say, 3 times 5 being equal to 15. So 15 is a multiple, okay, is a multiple of 3 and 5, and 3 and 5, these are factors, factor 3 and factor 5. These 2 are factors of 15. 3 and 5 are factors of number 15. 3 and 5 are factors of number 15. Here we have seen 2 and 1 are factors of number 2. 2 and 4. In this case, these two are the factors or divisors of number 8. Divisors of number 8. So this 2 is a multiple of 2 and 1. This 2 is a multiple of 2 and 1. 8 is a multiple of 4 and 2, and so on. So learners, I want us to look at examples in the pupil's book. Examples in the pupil's book. Pupil's book. What is 3 times 4? We know 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, these 3 and 4 we have seen, 3 and 4 are factors of 12. Okay, these 3 and 4 are factors of 12. And this product we get here, which is 12, and 12, we can say, and 12 is the multiple of, is a multiple of 3 and 4. 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4. So the question is, write down other pairs of factors, other pairs of factors of 12. Other pairs of factors of 12. We have seen the first pair of factor of 12 is 3 and 4. This is a pair. 3 and 4 is a pair because when you multiply 3 by 4, you get 12. So here you are supposed to write down other pairs of factors of 12. Which other factors can we multiply so that we get the multiple 12? That is the question. The first pair is 2 and 6. 2 and 6, because 2 times 6 will give us 12. 2 times 6 will give us 12. Another pair is 12 and 1. 12 and 1, because if you multiply 12 by 1, you get 12. So these are the other pairs of factors of 12. Other pairs of factors of 12. Now exercise 6 from your book on page 11 reads, give one pair of factors for each of the following. Give one pair of factors for each of the following. That is exercise 6. Exercise 6. Exercise 6. 1A, give one pair of factors for each of the following. So 1A, we have 36. The question is, give one pair of factors. One pair of factors for each of the following. Now, to help us, we can check from the multiplication table at the back of our book. At the back of this book, we have the multiplication table. And if you check the second category of 1 times 6, 1 times 6 is equal to 6, 2 times 6 is equal to 12, 3 times 6 is equal to 18, 4 times 6 is equal to 24, 5 times 6 is equal to 30, and 6 times 6 is equal to 36. So one pair, the question is give one pair of factors for each of the following. One pair of factors of 36 will be 6 and 6. 6 and 6, because if you multiply 6 by 6, you will get 36. So we have answered that one. That is one pair. And you can give more pairs by checking from the table the multiples. Where you have multiple 36, that will give you the factor. That will give you the factor, like 12 times 3. If you check 12 times 3 from this table, 12 times 3, that is another pair. 12 times 3 will give us 36. So this is another pair of factors of 36. Now if you check again 9 times 4, if you check 9 times 4, it also gives us 36. 9 and 4 will be equal to 36. So these are pairs, okay, of factors that give us 36. That give us 36. That is part 1, 1A. Learners, I want to stop there in this class so that I can give you some homework to do before we proceed. I want you to go to exercise number 6 on page 11. Page 11. This is exercise 6. Exercise 6. You will do question 1B, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F, 1G. That is what you will do. Then you'll also do exercise number 2 from your book, number 2, and exercise number 3. So learners, make sure that exercise is done before you come to our next class. We have been learning about multiples and factors in our today's lesson. We have done a few examples together on the board. Then I want us to stop there so that you can practice exercise 1, 2, and 3. Thank you for being attentive in our today's lesson. God bless you.